Good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number
101.
Today we're going to talk about subtracting in binary. So let's do a simple example first with just regular numbers. How about 101 minus 11? Okay, now remember in binary, this is the ones digit, this is the twos digit, and this is the fours digit. So 101 is equal to what number?
101 is equal to 5.
5. 1 is equal, because that's 4.
Is equal to
1
3.
times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. 1 is equal to
3.
3. Okay, so this is 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. And 5 minus 3 we know is
2.
2. And what is 2 in binary?
1 0.
1 0, which is 1 0 on base 2. So what we'd like to do is just do regular subtraction and say 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is, minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. But we can't have this number 1 minus 1, 0. Even though, by the way, it's right. Because this is 1 times 4 minus 1 times 2. So 4 minus 2 is?
So it's 2.
2. Okay, so what this minus 1 is like a little hole. And what we have to do is we have to fill in the hole. Okay, we have to turn the 4. How many 2's go into 4? This is 1 times 4, which is the same as 2 times 2. Okay? So we take our 4, we turn it into 2 2's, and we do 2 minus 1 2's, which is?
2 minus 1 2's is 1 2.
1 2. So this is the same as 1 0. So now we're going to do that with our duplo blocks. Okay? So today we're going to actually need 3 colors of duplo blocks. Are you ready?
Yep.
We need yellows to represent the ones. Oops, sorry about that. Yellows to represent the ones, blues to represent the zeros, and we might have some minus ones, so we're going to use red. Okay?
Yep.
So why don't you quickly, for me, pick a 4-digit number, 4-digit binary number, and then another one, and we'll subtract. Okay? Go ahead.
But 1 0 0 1.
Okay, 1 0 0 1.
Minus 0 1 0 1.
0 1. 0 1. Okay, great. Let's just do it, and then see if we get the answer that we were expecting. Okay. So 1 0 0 1. Right?
Yep.
Minus 0 1 0 1. 0 1 0 1. Okay. Minus this. Okay. All right. So now we have to remember our colors. This is a 0, this is a minus 1, and this is a 1, right? So when we take yellow block, take away yellow block, we get
the blue block.
Blue block for 0. 0 minus 0 is
0.
Jeez, I hope I have enough blue blocks. Blue minus yellow
Equals red.
That's a minus 1. And then 1 minus 0 is
1.
Okay, now is this a good number for our duplo numbers?
1 minus 1 0 0.
Okay. So what we have to do is we have to do the reverse procedure of yesterday when we were adding. Remember when we were adding, when we had 2 duplo blocks sitting on one side, we turned it into 1 and shifted it over?
Yeah.
Here, to get rid of the red blocks, we have to do the reverse. We have to take 1 duplo block here, turn it into 2 sitting here. Okay, so when we take 1 away, we're left with 0. Now we have 2 duplo blocks sitting on a red block.
But
that's 1, 1, and minus 1. So what does the yellow plus red block do?
It goes away.
Poofs away. So we get this. We get 1 0 0 1 minus 0 1 0 1 should be 0 1 0 0. Now do you want to do a quick check?
Yeah.
Was that right? Okay. So we have the 1s, 2, 4, 8. So this is 8 plus 1.
Which is 10. Or 8 plus 9, I mean.
Yeah. Usually 9. Usually 9. 4 plus 1 is?
5.
So 9 minus 5 is?
It's 4.
4. And what is 4 in binary?
Well, 0 doesn't matter.
Right,
Yeah?
the zeros in front don't matter. 4 is just?
1 0 0.
1 0 0. So how about that?
Exactly what we thought.
Exactly what we got. Okay, so we can add and we can subtract in binary. Do you want to just do one more real quick just to make sure we understand the procedure?
Okay.
Okay, so pick two numbers to subtract. Go ahead.
But let's see.
Whatever you want. They don't even have to be 4 digits. It could be 5 or 6 or however many you want.
5 ones.
5 ones. That's not going to be as exciting as you think. Put some zeros in there.
Okay, so let's take this guy out and these two out.
Okay, 1, 0, 0. Okay, great. Good. Minus.
These guys, these are gonna be zeros.
These are zeros?
Yeah, fill in this, and this guy's also a 0.
Okay, you can put a 0 there if you want. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is?
Is 0.
0 minus 1 is?
Minus 1.
1 minus 0 is?
Is 1.
0 minus 1 is?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. 1 minus 0 is?
Is 1.
1. Okay.
So you have to turn it into 2 blocks over here.
Okay, turn it into 2. Stick it on the red, and then we put a blue there.
Poof.
Poof. Okay, now we're almost there.
Now I have to turn this guy into 2. 1 here.
Okay, and put a...
Poof.
All right. So we just did just some simple arithmetic that got us to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And we think this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0.
Let's check.
Isn't that interesting? Actually, you picked a great example just totally by accident. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. I didn't even notice how good of an example. Do you notice anything funny about this pattern?
Not really.
You notice anything funny about the blocks? Look at the rows of blocks. You notice anything interesting about those rows of blocks?
Pattern here.
What's the pattern? Do you notice anything about these 3 rows of blocks?
Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow.
Okay, that's one pattern. You notice any other patterns?
Oh, interesting. Blue, blue, yellow, 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 blue, 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 yellow, 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 blue,
Notice
blue,
that?
blue, blue.
Okay. Notice anything else interesting about the rows of blocks?
Well, they're all 5 digits.
Yeah, they are all 5 digits.
What is it?
What is it? Anyone in the room want to shout out what's interesting about these 2 rows of blocks?
3 was.
Oh, sorry. You see? 2 of them are the same.
Oh, it's interesting.
So we got some number minus another number is that same exact
So
number.
this number must be 2 times this number.
That number must be 2 times that number.
That's very interesting.
That's very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. So let's see what this number was. 1, 2, 4, oops, sorry. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So this is 16 plus 4, which is 20. This number is 16 plus 4.
And this has to be 10.
This number is 8 plus 2, which is 10. So we did 20 minus 10 is 10.
It's very, very interesting.
Okay, let's try this again. Notice anything interesting about these rows of blocks?
Same.
2 of them are the same. Yeah. Excellent. Good job.
It's very interesting.
That's very cool. Okay, good job tonight, sweetie.